Nah, I just tore it up. Now we're fixing to see what Josh and the Avalanches got. Hold on a minute.
I'm gonna be the one to get stuck. Watch. Watch and see.
This truck don't pull.
Get him spinning.
Go all the way to the front and put it in two-wheel drive.
I did.
I want to see it again.
I'll do it again.
Let's do it again. And after you run it up, I might come back. Now we...
Oh, he's digging, bro.
The lanch is stuck.
That's the sinkhole right there. There's a tree right there.
Oh, really? That's what you was hung up on?
I was hung up on the tree. Tree probably.
Your truck's dirty, dog.
Hey, this thing pulls a full load. Now can I get it out? The front tires didn't even spin. They did? Yeah, they did when I got right there. That's full load.
Now how about you pull up and I'm gonna back up and let me spray you?
No.
Why?